Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing a quick unboxing and video review on this DOTOOL 2-in-1 nailer stapler. I paid $34.99 on Amazon. I bought it new and Amazon sent me a used one initially, so the unboxing might help you determine if they did the same to you. So everything should be in plastic. There should be a manual. There should be glasses. The tools wrapped in plastic. Pretty small, pretty lightweight. The reason I bought this one in particular is because it was the lowest priced model that had an assortment of various brads and crown staples. It also includes some pneumatic oil and 2 Allen keys. So it does feature a quick release mechanism for clearing jams. I really like that. It has a directional exhaust, so you can point it up towards your face, left, right, wherever you want. So it comes with 400 of the smaller ones, 400 of the longer brads, and then looks like about 200 of the crown staples. Loading it looks to be pretty straightforward. Pretty easy. I actually don't think I'll need this long of brads, so I'll start loading it with the shorter ones. It didn't come in a box, but it does have all the specifications and the barcode on the case. It says it drives 18 gauge barred nails, B-A-R-D. Quick shot of the manual. Pretty straightforward instructions on how to load there. There is a complete parts breakdown, which is kind of nice, but to be honest, I'm probably not going to service this. I'm just going to buy a new one if it breaks. And there's a little troubleshooting section in case you're having trouble. I do like how they put the media sizes right on the side of it, but again, it says barred nails. The operating pressure is between 70 and 110 psi. There is a nice little sight window to see how many bards you have left. It's not super visible, so you'll probably run out before you notice. It says it has a non-marring tip, but this is just made out of metal. So that'll help you not slam the device, but it's not like the ones that have rubber feet. So yeah, I don't think it's actually non-marring. This is 3/4 inch pine with a regulator set to 90 psi. This is 80, 70, this is 60, this is 50. If I would have known any better, I probably wouldn't have bought a 2-in-1 because I don't really need a stapler. I just figured, hey, it's the same price, why wouldn't I? Well, the reason you wouldn't is because of these stapled blowout marks. I'll do a rapid fire. You can see by default it leaves some pretty gnarly staple holes there, even if you're using brads. but I was able to fine tune it. Although the brads are not really inset, and you can still kind of see the outline of the hammer that strikes the stapler brad in. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.